Headway Intermediate, 4th edition, by John and Liz Saws, published in copyright, Oxford University Press, 2009. CD2. Unit 6, Typescript 6.1, Describing People. 1.
What's she like?
She's really nice. Very easygoing.
2.
What does she look like?
She's quite tall and pretty.
3.
What does she like doing?
She likes dancing and shopping.
4.
How tall is she?
5'8".
5.
What colour eyes has she got?
Brown.
6.
How old is she?
She's in her 20s.
7.
What kind of clothes does she wear?
Not smart. Casual. She has a lot of style.
8.
What's her hair like?
It's sort of long, fair and wavy.
9.
How is she?
She's fine.
Typescript 6.2, Describing Places. 1.
What's your flat like?
It's quite modern, but it's cosy.
2.
How big is it?
About 75 square metres.
3.
How many rooms are there?
A kitchen diner, a living room and a bedroom.
4.
What size is the kitchen?
4 metres by 2.
5.
Which floor is it on?
The 4th.
6.
Which part of town is it in?
It's south of the river.
7.
How far is it to the shops?
Just a 5-minute walk.
Typescript 6.3, Describing Things. 1.
What make is it?
Sony.
2.
How much does it weigh?
1.3 kilograms.
3.
What's it made of?
Carbon and titanium.
4.
What's this button for?
It turns it on.
5.
How big is the screen?
13.2 inches.
6.
How long is the battery life?
8 hours.
7.
What size is the hard disk?
80 gigabytes.
Typescript 6.4, Getting Information. 1.
What sort of bread do you have?
2.
What flavour ice cream would you like?
3.
Which way do we go?
4.
What make is your camera?
5.
What kind of food do you like?
6.
Whose top are you wearing?
7.
How long does it take to get to the airport?
8.
How far is your house from the beach?
9.
How often do you go to the cinema?
10.
How many of you want coffee?
11.
What size shoes do you take?
Typescript 6.5,
Fresh fruit.
Latest fashions.
Pretty woman.
Clear sky.
Fast food.
Crowded restaurant.
Casual clothes.
Close friend.
Handsome man.
Straight hair.
Cosy room.
Challenging job.
Typescript 6.6. 1.
Peter and I lived together at university.
2.
He's a good student. He tries hard.
3.
Where's the town hall?
Go straight on.
4.
Say that again. I didn't hear you.
5.
Don't talk so loud. Everyone can hear you.
6.
Why do you drive so fast? Slow down.
7.
His wife's name is Sue, not Sally. Get it right.
8.
The holiday was a disaster. Everything went wrong.
9.
This room is cool, even in summer.
10.
Are you ready?
Almost. Give me another 5 minutes.
Typescript 6.7. My most treasured possession. 1. Amy.
I would have to save my photo albums. They've got all the photos of my kids when they were babies. Their first steps, you know, when they walked for the first time, their birthday parties, their first day at school, and all the holidays we had together. All those memories are irreplaceable.
2. Jack.
I know it sounds a bit sad, but I would have to say my computer. Not very sentimental, but very practical. It's got all my work, all my email contacts, several thousand photos, address books, and my work diary for the next year. I just couldn't live without it.
3. Lucy.
I have a matching hairbrush and hand mirror that belonged to my grandmother. She was given them as a wedding present, and she gave them to me before she died. I don't use them, but they're always on the shelf in my bedroom, and every time I see them I think of her. They're solid silver, and they're quite heavy. They're not particularly pretty, but they have immense sentimental value.
Typescript 6.8. My closest relative. Ellie.
The person that I'm closest to in my family is probably my mother. She's the kind of person you can talk to about anything. She's very open, my mother, and I can talk to her about boyfriends, stuff that's bothering me at work, friendships, anything. We have our ups and downs, of course, but basically we have an easy relationship. We go shopping together. What I like about her is her attitude. She's quite young at heart, like me, not old-fashioned or anything like that.
Simon.
I'm closest to my grandmother. My father I don't really get on with. We don't really see eye to eye about anything. My mother, I hardly ever see. She's too busy. My grandmother and I like doing the same things. We like watching TV and having a glass of wine together. We love playing cards. And I think emotionally I'm closer to her than I am to my parents, because she and I have a similar attitude to life. I think we both like people. We're quite outgoing, sociable and open.
Julia.
The person I'm closest to in my family, I think, would be my father. We stay up late listening to music and talking a lot. What I like about him is that he's interesting and interested. He has a curiosity about life. We can talk about anything and everything. We have the same sense of humour, the same love of life. My friends all love him because he's such a good laugh. He doesn't care what people think of him, and I reckon that's great. He's pretty cool, my dad.
Tessa.
I think the person that I'm probably closest to is my sister. The thing I love about her is the way everyone knows her. It doesn't matter where we go, everyone says, "Hi Nina, how you doing?" I'm just her little sister, so people call me Baby Nina, but that's fine. We're so different. We have blazing rows. She's so hyperactive and loud, she can't sit still. She has to have people around her, and everyone loves her. In many ways, she drives me crazy. She just can't think straight. Me, I'm a lot quieter. I'm happy on my own, but we're so proud of each other.
Chris.
I'm closest to my twin, Nick. Obviously, we have so much in common. The same friends, the same football team, the same music. We go everywhere together. But we have amazing rows about everything. We're like chalk and cheese. I'm like my mum, calm and easygoing. Nick's like my dad, very bad-tempered. They fight like cat and dog. But things have changed between me and Nick now we're older. We appreciate each other more. The biggest difference is probably interests. I'm into all things history and politics, and Nick's interested in science and nature. But of course, we're a lot closer than just brothers and sisters. In a way, we're like one. I would trust him like I would trust no one else.
Typescript 6.9. In a department store. 1.
Morning.
Hello, I'd like to try on these shoes, please.
Certainly, sir. What size do you take?
9. That's 41, isn't it?
No. I think you'll find 43 would be more comfortable, sir.
2.
Have you got these football shorts for age 10 to 11?
I'm afraid that's all we have. We've sold out of that size.
Will you be getting any more in?
We should be getting a delivery by the end of the week.
3.
Do you have any sofas like this in stock?
No, madam. They all have to be ordered.
How long does delivery take?
It all depends, but on average about 8 weeks.
4.
Yes, madam?
I'd like this fruit bowl, please.
Certainly. Is it a present?
Yes, it is.
Would you like me to gift wrap it?
Oh, that would be lovely. Thank you so much.
5.
I like this.
How does it feel?
Really good. I love the colour, but the size is wrong. It doesn't fit me. It's too tight.
Shame, it really suits you. What's it made of?
Cashmere. It's so soft.
6.
Yes, sir?
I'll have this coffee maker, please.
Certainly. Have you got a store card?
No, just a debit card.
That's fine. PIN number, please? Keep your receipt. That's your guarantee.
How long is it guaranteed for?
For a year.